team IT, and we will present our project we've been working on for the last 24 hours. So sometimes I'm reading a newspaper, and then I'm reading news articles about young Dutch people that are going to Iraq or to Syria, and that is something shocking. It is very important for the police that they can track those people, because people that are going to Iraq or Syria might come back, and then they are traumatized, and they are radicalized, and then they can form a big threat to the Dutch society. So now I have a shocking statistic for you. Up until 2015, more than 220 people went to Syria or Iraq, and it is important that we can reduce this number because it just forms a serious threat to the Dutch society. And we will do this by using the data sets of ISIS tweets from Twitter.
First I will show you a demo, so you can see what we actually did. Starting it now. Well, I'm gonna first say something about it so you understand it. There are two kinds of dots, blue dots and red dots. Red dots visualize people with a sympathy for ISIS. Blue dots show Twitter accounts who are normal, do not say anything about ISIS or such. And there are arrows in between. They show the interaction between those Twitter accounts. Now it's important to see it.
Oh, yeah, okay, there it is.
So, there are the blue dots and the arrows. This is a timeline. It goes from the start of 2015 to the start of 2016. And this is to show that we can also do it in real time. We have the past and we can show it, and we have the present and we can show it. And so we will also be able to show the future. There. So that's a cluster of red dots. Those are ISIS-related accounts, accounts with sympathy for ISIS, and you see that they have an interaction with each other. I think we all know that people who are in the sin of yes. We know that people who are radical, it's more harmful if there are other radical people around them, because they only have a radical point of view and not a normal point of view anymore. So that's a dangerous cluster. There's also a normal cluster there. It's also important to keep track of that, because if there's one radical dot in there, that means the whole cluster will see radical tweets, and so that's also a dangerous cluster. Now I will quickly tell something about how we did this. Next slide, please. Oh, yes. So, we made an algorithm using a naive Bayes algorithm to classify individual tweets. Based on those individual tweets, we will classify a user as a sympathist of ISIS or not. And with those data, those ISIS sympathists, we fill a database with which we make the graph. This isn't the end. We have more of these. Namely, get a geolocation. Twitter also saves the geolocation, and with this geolocation, we can pinpoint villages and cities where the radicalization is getting bad, and we can pinpoint cities where there is no radicalization, so the police knows where to go. So you now know something about the project and the possible future of a project, and we are open to any questions.
Oh, right on time.
Can you go back to the demo? Because you
minutes.
Like, because we're talking about the red dots and the blue dots, but I kind of forgot what.
Red dots are dots for isosynthesis. Blue dots are normal people. So if you have a cluster of red dots, that's a cluster of isos people who only talk to each other and only have a point of view of isosynthesis.
Okay, and how did you classify those people based on the tweets?
Yeah, based on the tweets. We had a database with ISIS tweets, and with that we trained the algorithm to classify the tweets.
But was it labeled? Did you know who
Yeah,
the...
yeah, there was a whole database with only ISIS tweets, and a whole database with normal tweets.
Ah, and those were linked together.
Yeah.
Ah, okay, cool.
Any other questions? Yeah.
How does your classifier perform?
It has an accuracy of 79%, so it's not perfect, but it's at least more than half.
If I can reply back, it can be just because it's classifying correctly the citizens, not ISIS.
No, we have a data set or a test set of 10,000 ISIS tweets, and it sees like 8,500, so it's kind of good.
You have a timeline here. Is it possible to make use of the time information, or is it just to for the visualization currently?
You can drag and you can view specific time slots, and you can also move. Drag it to show differences in time. And the dots spawn on each time on the same location, so you can follow the dots in time.
Okay, thank you.